How are you? I don't know. Call me back. Thanks a lot. I have no idea. No thanks. I am okay. How's it going? Have a good trip. Don't worry. How old are you? It's okay. I am busy. I am sorry. Be careful. It was really good. Stop kidding. Nice to meet you. I agree. See you. God bless you. I do not understand. It really takes time. What is your name? How do you feel about it? I am not really sure. You inspire me. Are you there? What's for lunch today? I need a little help. Nice to see you again. I am afraid you were right. Can I ask you something? I feel much better. Glad to meet you. Have a good trip. Everything is fine. You are everything to me. How dare you say that? Keep it there. I am very grateful to you. You are everything to me. I have no idea. How was your weekend? I am happy about this. Sorry for the inconvenience. You are wasting my time. I really appreciate it. Nothing special. You do it yourself. Please help yourself. Please say something. You are so lucky. Have a nice day. Keeps it under wraps. Can I come tomorrow? I haven't told anyone. Tell me how it works. It was nice to talk with you. Talk to you later. Thank you for inviting us. Allow me to introduce myself. It's really taking time. You are beautiful. Choose whatever you want. Don't be afraid. Where do you want to go? I am not sure yet. I am really well. As soon as possible. That's absolutely fine. You are so adorable. It's none of my business. I feel much better. It is none of your business. How's your family? No thanks. I am okay. It's very thoughtful for you. Don't make noise. Listen to your elders. It is not true. Sorry, I didn't catch that. What is happening here? Please say something. Hope to see you next time. I am slightly hungry. I don't like it. No, not at all. What's the matter? Don't be so excited. Have some patience. I am very pleased to meet you. Well done. Keep it up. This is not a joke. I am very familiar with him. I shall welcome to guest. Stay within your limits. Think as you like. Wait for your turn. May I go out please? Can you explain that again?